This is Lake Michigan in its finest form. You know that one scene from Harry Potter, where like from Harry Potter, the Half-Blood Prince, when they're about to go in the cave, they're like near the cave. They're not in the cave yet, but they're like just surrounded by water like this, and they're like on top of a giant rock. Oh yeah, you should be sorry. It's so amazing and scary at the same time. I would want this in a movie. This is on camera, by the way. This is on record. This is on record now. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Holy moly. I'm waiting for the next one. I'm waiting for the next one, and then I'm gonna get it on camera. So it's only a matter of time. I think it might be this one, actually. Oh, it's not. It's not that one. Pathetic. Pathetic wave right there. Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm very picky about how my waves are. That's like a solid 6 out of 10 wave. Yeah. Or maybe I'm being generous. Maybe when you're desperate, your standards are lower. That was actually a 6 out of 10. You Wait, slash me? Why not slash you? What's wrong with you?
You should get a little closer.
Why don't you get closer? I thought you were that you were the brave one here. I thought you were the tough one. I thought you were the one that.
It's too cold for you to safely go.
Pull up. This is the one. Nice. Hooray! There's snow. There's waves. There'll be a storm coming. This is Lake Michigan at its absolute finest.